That sounds like a that sounds like a fun project. One idea could be an app that helps people improve their language skill through interactive AI-driven conversation practice. You could use Google AI Studio to create a chatbot that adapts to the user's skill level and interests, providing real-time feedback and suggestions. Let me know if you want to dive deeper into this idea. Absolutely. Here's a prompt you can use. Create an interactive language learning app that leverages Google AI Studio to offer personalized conversation practice. The app should assess the user's proficiency level and adapt its responses and difficulty accordingly. It should include features like real time feedback, vocabulary suggestions, and cultural tips. Feel free to tweak it as you like.